Fellow South Africans, hi. Ngisukuma nokubonga, ngisukuma nokuthula nesalute. We've been blessed in South Africa because the generation of the generations, yonke le generation inomuntu wakhona ofikayo. Ngoba ne generation kaShaka Zulu yandlula. Ngoba ne generation yabo King Cetshwayo kade izulu budingana yandlula. Ngoba ne generation yabo Mandela yandlula. Kwaba ne generation ngathi manje yaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. This is the man that will be written on our history. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, he is a brave man. As mazobeka istatement sakhe ngamaphoyisa ukuhlukanisa ukuthi kuyini iphoyisa icomrade. Once ungaba ideployee emaphoyiseni kanti uyi-comrade, you're gonna call the policemen and the other community people ekufuneke ubavikele ewabize ngama-comrades, whereby you lost everything. So now I think ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sivule umqondo wethu sibe transparency through the ruling party of South Africa ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. What is it? Yabona into le yaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi sivula umqondo man. Sivula umqondo ukuthi anithandeni izwe lenu. Ngabe asikho vandalize kangaka. Ngabe awekho ama foreigners agcwele kangaka eSouth Africa. Ngabe thina u94 sanele ukuthola inkululeko sayitshela ukuthi sesi over the moon. We thinking that we are over the moon. But uJenerali Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngenye generation yema-generations ezobhala kuma-history South Africa ukuthi this is what we need, into esiyifunayo, into esicela ukuthi implementeke yenzeke South Africa. Wavalele bomapanyaza boba bezisey'nkulu bahula phansi bashaya abantu abanganama-permit abama-South African basenza la. So manje enye into engisukuma la ngithi thina ema-South African ngesithi ungibona mina ngiyi-South African ngingenza ubugebengu ngizama. Ungibona ngiyi-South African ngingenza ubugebengu ngizama. Ngibambe ngesandla uthi how can I help you? Ungaqindezeli umuntu ozamayo ajike azoba isigebengu ngelinye ilanga. Or umenza abenezonda abene-vengeance yokuthi ngelinye ilanga agcina sengumuntu omubi kanti lo muntu wagubhilwa nguwo. Mangabe uyiphoyisa South Africa awucabangela ama-South African. Bophi igebengu uyekele abantu abasebenzayo. Uyekele ukubiza abantu ngama-comrades. Because the comrade lobu ngabidibo lobu besihlava si-corruption. If every phoyisa by phoyisa is right, let's take our country first and sicabangele ingane zethu sisazoyizala. Not le ingane eseyicedwe inyawupe manje. The generation leya manje icedwe inyawupe. Viva comrade Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, viva. Ngiyaxolisa uzozangishaya uhloko. Awusilona comrade uyiphoyisa. Viva subs member, viva in good standing subs member, viva.